Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys the Realme phone setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys the Realme phone gesture setting how to use. Then gesture full setting I will show you in this video how to use gesture setting on Realme mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it and click on tool setting. Navigation setting friends, we will click here. Then swipe gesture from both sides, virtual button more setting. So first we will on swipe gesture from both side guys, we will on. After on guys, your three button navigation will remove on your screen, and friends you cannot use your three button navigation. So friends you want to back, friends right side and friends left side guys, you can back. Right side back, left side back, left side and right side back button. You want to close app friends, you can see this line guys, you can close app like that. So friends you can use your gesture setting, the button navigation will remove on your phone. And friends you have gesture setting, friends you don't want to use gesture setting, you want to set button navigation, friends again click on phone setting friends, again click tool setting, navigation, and guys button setting guys, we will on. After on button setting friends, you can see we have three button navigation, and we can use this back button, close app button, home button. And friends you want to change this button layout style, friends you can change button layout style. Click on phone setting, navigation setting friends, button layout friends you want to change, you can change from here. Friends you can see back button will change here, this three button layout will change. We can back from left side, and right side you can close app. So like that friends you can use this gesture navigation setting. And friends you can find this setting with shortcut setting also. Click on search option, navigation, navigation setting friends, click here. Direct friends you can change from here guys, your three button navigation you want to set default, so you can set. You want to friend gesture setting friends, click here. You can use your gesture settings. Button navigation you want to use, you can use from here. So like that guys, we can use gesture setting on Realme phone device guys. I hope friends you understood how to use gesture setting on Realme phone. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.